In this video, I'm giving you an ultimate guide on how to detangle, cleanse, and pamper your curly wig. Whether you're new to the wigs or a seasoned pro, this will make your wig stand out in a crowd. Start off with detangling the wig using your fingers, starting from the roots of the hair, working your way up to the top. And side note, be gentle like Anyways, if there is any glue on your lace, remove it using alcohol, but since mine doesn't have that much, we shall skip that step. Put some lukewarm water into a basin, pour some shampoo, then mix to form some bubbles. Dip in the wig and let it sit for 10 minutes to remove most of the dirt, just like how you soak your clothes before you wash them. After the 10 minutes are done, the water will look so dirty, meaning most of the dirt has been removed. Rinse the wig. Next, wash the cloth part of the wig because this is where most sweat collects.
Wow! Okay!
Following up is the lace. We are going to use this face brush, so if you have one, you better hold strong onto it, as this is what we use to gently wash the lace to avoid creating any holes on your lace. This removes any extra dirt or makeup that may have remained on your lace. Next is the hair. We are going to mix shampoo with some coconut oil. Yes, coconut oil. Skip a good amount, and since mine is in a solid form, I have to melt it. Boom! It's melted. Pour it into the shampoo and start mixing. Pour the mixture onto the hair and spread it out first using your hands and then with a paddle brush. Starting from the roots, working your way up. When all that is done, rinse the wig, which leads us to the next step, conditioning. We are going to mix conditioner with coconut oil, but this time round, I didn't melt my coconut oil, but I made sure that I mix. Pour the mixture onto the wig and spread it all over using your fingers, not forgetting to start from the roots of the hair, then go in with the paddle brush, ensuring that the conditioner is on every strand of the hair. Put the wig in a polythene bag and let it sit for 20 minutes. When the 20 minutes are done, rinse the wig with cold water to keep the moisture into the hair, which leads us to the last step, which is hair treatment. Mix coconut oil with any hair treatment of your choice, and when I tell you to mix, I mean mix. Pour the mixture onto the hair and spread it out using your fingers, then go in with a paddle brush to make sure the treatment spreads throughout the whole hair. Could we take a moment and appreciate this beautiful curl pattern?
Oh my god! Wow!
Now it's time for steaming. Not that steaming, but hair steaming. Put the polythene bag containing the wig into the steaming cup. Let it steam for 10 minutes. When the 10 minutes are done, rinse the wig with cold water. And here is the inside part of the wig. Could you see how clean that is? So you could either let it air dry or define the curls. If you love to see how I define these beautiful curls, go ahead and subscribe, as that will be the next video I upload.